Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Diego with Lit Up Designs, and today I got a F150 FX4. It's quite nice actually. We're doing a retrofit. This is the that part that goes on the outside. This is the part that goes on the inside. Now you're wondering, how did I open this? Well, let's take a look over here. At 350 and about 10-15 minutes. You want to do it until the actual glue is kind of soft. Of course, most ovens do vary, but like I said, just do it until when the glue is pretty hot. After we open this up, you want to take off obviously the bulb in the back. This little thing right here, see if I can get it with this. No, I need a Torx to take that off. This little clip here, which I can grab right there. Take that off. Once you got that off, take the bulb off. There we go. You're gonna take all these gaskets off and all that stuff. You want to drill a hole, depending on how big your projector is, and if you're gonna get the mini projectors, those are easier to retrofit with. Once you got that done, and it's pretty much a plug and play after that. With the F150, you want to make sure it's a dual filament bulb, meaning there's two filaments right there. Two filaments. There's two filaments in the bulb. You want the actual harness. There you go. It doesn't zoom in that well. You want an actual harness for this in order to provide the high and the low beam. And so you can have the correct power THID projectors. This is not that hard. It literally takes probably 4 hours, for an average person. Depending on what you're doing, halos, projector, painting, whatever. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm located in San Antonio, Texas, and if you got any projects, I'd love to hear about them. Alright, thank you, and thanks for watching and subscribe.